morning, all of you. Today we are here to describe about the motion. I request my team member to discuss about this, how to make this project.
Inflate the balloon as much as you can. Put it on a smooth floor and release the fingers.
Motion. I request my team member to describe some lines about motion.
A body is said to be in motion when it's particularly respect with time or not rest.
What is the unit of motion? Yeah, speed. What is the unit of speed? Meter per second. Okay.
There are 7 types of motion, such as rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, vibratory motion, rotational motion, oscillatory motion, and periodic motion. I request our team member to explain about rest.
A body is said to be rest when there is a change in the speed of rest.
That means object is not change the position is known as a rest. Understand? Okay. Then this position is known as a
Rest
position known as the
Rest position.
rest position. Okay. And
First,
do this activity. Start. What is the unit of time?
the unit of time is kilometer per hour.
Okay. Then student, this condition known as a rest. This condition known as a rest. And fill the volume of air like a fuel. That volume of air like a fuel working off, because without air it push the air particles and this car is moving. Okay. To start. First off, fill the air. This condition show the when rest position and move the by the air. Understand? Okay. So this activity going through the motion.
The procedure to make this project is tie a balloon on a straw with the help of tape. Fix a straw on the top of the car with using a sellotape. Start the point on the floor. Inflate the balloon as much as you can by blowing into the straw and close to the mouth of the straw with the help of your fingertip. Put the car in the smooth surface, the start point, and you remove your finger from the straw. Your car will move without being pushed or touched. Use a stopwatch to note the time taken by the car till it comes to rest. Measure the distance covered by measuring tape. You may attempt this 3 to 5 times. Thank you.